are you doing today? This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Today is an exciting day. So, as you can see, I have a red box in here. I have a red shopping bag in here. You already know what this is. This one is given to me by Seb, of course. So, storytelling for the meantime is that we went to South Coast Plaza on Tuesday. Right now is a Saturday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then we bought this one. It's an upgrade of the wedding band that I have. This one. So he told me that, oh, okay, let's just buy you the Cartier because you need an upgrade already with your wedding ring, and it's been like 2 years anyway, so which is really nice. Thank you very much, my dear Sebastian. So we went there on a Tuesday, and it's much better because we went there for without any line. Probably like there's like 3 people in there, and then yeah. But before that, we called to make an appointment on the spot, probably 4 hours beforehand. So we called, and then I called, and then while I was on my way to home, and then the lady gave us the spot for the 6:30. And then I was like, okay, that's fine, that's perfect. And then sure enough, when we get there, we probably waited only like 5 minutes, 10 minutes for us to get in to the store. And then yeah, so we were able to, even though there's no long line like the usual, like today when we went there to pick this up, because we did something on this one, and then there's a long line. Good thing it's for pickup. So we went to the appointment section, appointment line, because there's 2 lines. There's appointment line, and then there's non-appointment people. So and then it was quick. So probably we were kind of like in and out. Anyways, I know this is what you wanted to see. Do you have any guesses what's inside? So let me know what you think about on this one. And then so yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. So this is my first time, by the way. This is my first time of Cartier. And then actually this is our first one in our luxury life, I should say. So it came with the, of course, with the receipt. And then it came with the, of course, the authenticity card, the certificate. The lady said because it's our first time, so she's kind of like telling us what to expect and what this is. So this is, she said that, oh, you can pass it along to your loved ones when, you know, when I die. Because there's on the ring itself, there is a serial number that matches the serial number on this one. So I don't know which one. So that's the one. So which is really nice because this one is certifying that it's made in 18K 750 gold or in 950% platinum. We certify that this is an authentic Cartier jewelry. So which is really a good addition to this particular experience that we have had when we went there. Anyways, no further ado, this is the red box. It is not the one that I see with my friends when they unbox this one. Is it's wrapped into a white wrapped with a hat stamped of the logo or insignia of Cartier, but this one doesn't have it because we picked it up. Anyway, so this is how it is, and you already know what this is anyway. So when you open it, it is, and then ta-da, and then there's this really nice, this is my first time, so forgive me. So this one, look at the box. That was really nice, right? So pretty. And then that's the bottom part of it, and then you pop it up. And then this is what he got me. Ta-da! Nice, huh? So this is the love ring in white gold. So there you go. So this is an upgrade of this one. So it's totally an upgrade, as you can see anyways. So yeah, it's really lovely and really nice. I wish you could have seen it. So there you go. And then inside of this one is the serial number. Let me see where it is. Oh, there you go. And let's see if that one is matching, because that's what she said. I don't know if she's just playing with me or something, but no, she's not playing with me. So the serial number on the authentication, the certificate is the same as on the ring, which is really nice. And what we did on this one is that, I don't know if you're going to see that, is on here, we put an engraved. That's why it took us on a Saturday, Sunday, on a Sunday to be able to get it. So it says there, Carlo&Seb. So which is really nice. It's really cute. Look, from this to this. It's really cute. And it's really simple. It's not too thick. So yeah, it's an upgrade of his love for me, from K Jewelers to a love ring. So yeah, so this is our first, and we are so happy about this one. I'm so happy when he told me to get this one already. And then yeah, so I hope you enjoy this particular video as I am. I was so excited to share it with you. I cannot wait to prep already, because when we got home right now, today, I'm kind of like, I really want to do this already so that we will be done with this one. Anyways, so yeah, so it's a really good experience. And the customer service was Anne. Anne is my sales associate. She was so friendly. She was so nice. She was cheery. She was so happy and engaging, so which is really nice. That's what you look for a particular sales associate, to help you out and clear what you wanted in a particular store. But anyways, if you're wondering about the price, because here we're being transparent with you guys, this one is the wedding band, white gold. So there you go. And then this one is, oh, this is not the receipt. This is the that they're going to engrave it. Oh, this is the receipt. So this particular one is 1,250. So the sales tax is $97. It came up to 1,346. So I'll show you. There you go. Ta-da! So there you go. So yeah, it's a really good investment, I should say. And then I hope you enjoyed this video. I should wrap up, because I really want to enjoy the piece of Cartier that I have right now. And thank you, baby, for this one, for the upgrade that you have given me. Anyways, I will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. We love you all. And then if you like this video, comment below, like this video, and subscribe. Sharing is caring, so tell your people, tell your loved ones how excited Carlo is on his first Cartier ring. So but anyways, thank you very much. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.